Have you ever heard a sound so small, so strange, that you almost ignored it, and later realized it could have meant life or death? Today, I'm going to tell you about a rescue that started with a whisper in the dark and turned into one of the most dangerous missions these workers had ever faced. It was just another normal day underground, machines humming, tools echoing through the tunnel, when suddenly someone paused. Beneath the noise, beneath the dust and vibration, there was something else. A faint, trembling sound. At first, everyone laughed it off. "It's just water," someone said. "Probably wind," another replied. "After all, tunnels make strange noises all the time, right?" But one rescuer couldn't let it go. He stood still, closed his eyes, and listened again. And there it was, weak, desperate, almost like a cry. He asked a simple question that changed everything. What if that's someone down there? Would you have stopped, or would you have kept walking? Most people would have moved on, but he didn't. He grabbed a flashlight and followed the sound deeper into the tunnel, where the air grew thinner and the ground more unstable. With every step, the noise became clearer. Not water, not wind, it was alive. Buried behind layers of dirt, concrete and debris, something was trapped and running out of time. When the team realized this, the mood shifted instantly. This wasn't routine work anymore. This was a rescue, and it was dangerous. And all the while, that faint sound kept going like a reminder. "I'm still here, don't give up." Can you imagine being trapped underground, not knowing if anyone can hear you? Would you keep calling out? Would you still believe someone was coming? Finally, after what felt like forever, they broke through. And there it was, weak, exhausted, terrified, but alive. In that moment, fear turned into relief. Strangers became heroes, and a sound that almost went unnoticed became the reason someone survived. This story reminds us of something powerful. Sometimes the smallest signs matter the most. Sometimes listening just a little closer can change everything. So next time you hear something strange, next time your instincts tell you to look again, ask yourself, what if someone needs you right now? Because in the darkest places, hope often begins with a single quiet sound.